Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you apps that pay you free PayPal money. And so this is ways that you can make money with your smartphone. And let's get started right now. Alright, I'm back, and this is the first app I want to show you. It's called Surveys on the Go. It can be found at surveysonthego.com. This app is actually for everybody because you can get it for iOS phones and Android phones. And as long as you can get access to PayPal, then you can use this app, okay? This app is a very good surveys app, so please don't fast forward yet, okay? Because you can make some real fast, easy money with this app. Usually, survey apps are not very good and they really have really bad ratings, but this particular app is rated very high on both phones and a lot of people have rated. So this is why I want to show you this app. There is a $10 minimum payout for this app, but you will get to that $10 not that long because the surveys here that they pay relatively high compared to other survey sites, and the minimum per survey is about 50 cents that I have seen. So, and you can easily earn like a $3 survey or and up. So there are quite a variety for this. So if I look at the Apple Store reviews here, it's at 4.6. Over 27,000 people have rated this app. So it is very easy to do. So this is just some sample amounts that you can earn, okay? And so people are very happy with this app. You are literally just answering some few questions, and depending on how long the survey is, that will be determine the amount that you're going to get. But as you can see here, you get 50 cents, $1, $2, $5. I mean, this is already, I could tell that it's a lot higher than a lot of other survey sites. On the Google Play, this is very highly rated with over 69,000 people reviewing it. So 4.6, that's very good. And you have the people also being supportive here. If there's a bad rating, they kind of support you. So they're not just leaving you hanging dry here. So you got over 1 million installs, guys. So people really like this app. That's why I wanted to show you guys. So this is definitely one app that will pay you PayPal money. The second one I want to show you is at Gift Loop, and it's found at giftloop.co, okay? Now this one is only for people that have the Android phone, okay? Because this one you can actually earn without doing anything. Literally, you could just charge your phone and earn with this app. So besides that though, you can do things within the app to earn even more, okay? So you can watch videos, you could try new apps, you can earn coins to redeem, play games, and complete surveys. So I guess these four things up here, you earn coins and then you redeem it for PayPal money or something else, the other options that they have for you, okay? So on this page, it doesn't say doesn't talk about what I told you about getting charged, but I'm going to show you where it says that, okay? So there's three choices. They have gift cards that you can have, or you can redeem for PayPal cash, or you can also donate your earnings to charity if you wish. So here at the Google Play review, you have 4 stars rating here with almost 4,000 people rating it. So here, this is what it says here, okay? Charging screen. So earn gift cards or PayPal cash while charging your phone just for having it plugged in. Lock screen, discover interesting articles, news updates, and cool offers right on your lock screen. Best part, get rewarded for doing so. So charging your phone, you're gonna earn some money. Lock screen, you're gonna earn some money. Swipe and choose. Swipe through interesting offers and funny memes. Or number 3, swipe and choose. You can swipe through interesting offers and funny memes, or choose directly from the offer wall packed with high-paying surveys, apps, videos, and more. You can even win prizes in the daily raffle. So there are several ways for you guys to to earn with this app. And so, or not even use it and still earn by just having your phone charging or just looking at your lock screen. So there's a variety of ways for you guys to earn. So this is rated at 3.9, not as high as the other app, but this is still a good way for you to earn something. And the last app I was going to show you in this video is QMe at QMe.com. This app is also paying PayPal Cash, and it's available for both Android phones and iOS phones, and they are both highly rated on both phones. So this is going to be a really good one. How you earn cash for this one is you're going to share your opinion like surveys, or you can do some shopping within the site, or you can do search with it. So those are the 3 ways you can earn with QMe.com, okay? Or this app, sorry. So share your opinions. Basically, you could have a little bit of surveys that you can complete, answer some questions, and earn that way. Or you can shop through their sites, get money saving coupons and deals on the items you're shopping for to help you save. Or you can also shop in their site and find better deals without going, all the different sites to compare. So it's very beneficial for you guys to shop through the sites. And then you can still earn more cash with choosing offers. You can see here $35, $25, $25, $40, 10, 8, 5, and 10. So these are the type of offers that are in there. It says earn cash with our specially chosen offers, whether you're looking to change your internet provider, buy a new phone, or even start enjoying a weekly meal plan. With our handpicked money earners, you'll get a free cash reward at the same time as doing something you were going to do anyway. So you're going to get basically rewarded for doing something you are normally going to do anyway. And then the last way you can earn is when you do search through them. So you're going to earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with the free QMe browser app. So basically, you're just going to go about your daily searching online and earn cash rewards with QMe results. Simply click on the result that interests you to collect the reward in your piggy bank. So those are the 3 ways that you can earn with QMe. Here are the reviews for QMe on the Apple Store. It's 4.5, so that's pretty high rating. So people really like this app, okay? And Android, it's over 4 stars, and even more people are reviewing here at 15,000. 4.4 stars, so it's very well rated, this app here. So, and over 100,000 installs, and they're updated all the time. So that is a very good app to use as well. So those are the 3 apps I was showing you today, guys. It's QMe.com, giftloop.co, and then surveyonthego.com. Those are the 3 sites. So with these 3 sites though, guys, it is a good way to start making some money online, but as you can probably tell, you're not going to make anything big or significant or anything that you can really rely on as a consistent income. So go ahead and try these apps to earn some extra money for yourself and start earning online, and save that money though so that you can invest in yourself and invest in a program like the one I linked in the video description below, the very first link. That's going to be a program that can teach you real online skills that are required, guys, to earn bigger money online, okay? I use a business model for the internet that earns on the internet this way. But you do need to learn some online skills to be able to make it work for you, so you can earn some consistent online money coming in every single month, okay? So if you learn from a program like that, then you can get started and actually, it's not easy like these apps to earn big money online. Okay, it's like the easier it is, the less money you can earn. So if you put a little bit more effort and learn some online skills, you can really earn a lot more and a lot higher online. And if you want to do that, then you can really earn passively too, meaning you can work on your own schedule and then earn any time of the day 24/7. So that's how I have my online business set up, and that's how you can too. If you really want to earn some real online income, this is the way to go. So check out the first link in the video description. I hope you would check it out, and I hope I can help you in the near future doing what I do. Okay, guys? All right, I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And if you haven't already, click that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. All right, I hope you make some money online soon, guys. And I hope you make some big money online one day using one of my recommended programs I have linked in the video description. All right, guys. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.